Start by pouring a small amount of water into a pan, then go ahead and add a generous squeeze of toothpaste. Next, add the lemon peels and begin stirring everything together until it is thoroughly combined. As the water gradually heats up, the lemon will release all of its natural properties, and you will see the toothpaste start to dissolve completely into the hot liquid. Once the mixture is thoroughly combined, transfer it over into a blender and blend it for a few short seconds until you have obtained a nice, smooth liquid. Next, strain the mixture into a clean container to remove any remaining peel residue. Then, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 of your favorite liquid soap. Stir everything thoroughly until well combined. Finally, pour into a soap dispenser and seal the lid tightly. Now, go ahead and spray a little of this mixture onto your dish sponge and then wipe it thoroughly over the scorched or grease cake pan. You will see how the stubborn grime starts to come off almost instantly, and the original shine will gradually return to the surface.